The engineering team at Gast works closely with all the other departments in our organization. That's the way we win, right? So from the beginning, we work very closely with our CAD design team to come up with models. Our engineering team then works very closely with the pneumatic lab. We do a lot of validation testing, performance testing. Some things work, some things don't. Put something on endurance, maybe it breaks, maybe it doesn't. We got to find those things out. And then once we've got a workable and viable solution, then we go towards manufacturing. So we're working with the manufacturing team. We're working on assembly instructions. We're working on assembly methods, assembly tooling. That's another place where we interface with the manufacturing team. And at the end, when it's production launch, everybody worked together and we came up with a solution.
Design for manufacturing with engineering is a process that we ensure here for all new products that are coming out. Getting the manufacturing support teams involved with the new product teams early in that design phase helps to eliminate the iterative process of redesigns as we start to launch it into manufacturing. What we also do is make sure we pull the supply chain teams into. Where are we sourcing products? How are we going with our preferred suppliers? Where are we commonizing products so that we can ensure delivery of those?
Through a product introduction, you're working with operations, with sourcing, finance, IT, customer service to develop a product, execute it smoothly and flawlessly. But then there's that integration piece with the external customers that we get our VOC from, get our understanding what are the complexities that we have to solve, but also bringing them the solution so they can see it and is it the right solution? So validating those solutions. It's a never-ending cycle of understanding, validation, plan, do, check, act, making sure you're following through with your customers.